Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to find this one. So we have the formula in here. So this is about cosine a to the power of 2. So I will put this one go to the right, and we have like this. So this one, that is about this one. So we have the second formula in here. That is about 3 sine x minus 4 sine x to the power of 3. So we need to transform this one into this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we change for u. This one we change for u. Cosine x dx we change for du. And now we need to expand this one. So we got like this. Negative, we change the sign of this one. So we have like this. Next, we have the formula in here. So number one, that is about u square. So I will put number 2 cone here, and that is about u to the power of 3. The next one, that is about number 5. The next one, that is about number 7. About u, that is about sine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.